Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the YouTube app on your iPhone. This matters because account-level history only clears when you're signed into the right profile. Tap your profile icon at the top right, then choose Settings. Once done, open History and Privacy. This is where the controls live. I'm walking you directly to the controls so you can clear or pause history without hunting menus. Do this now to make sure the next steps affect the correct account and to protect future recommendations. Now you'll clear the explicit records. Tap Clear Watch History first. This removes videos YouTube used to fuel suggestions. Confirm the prompt. This action can't be undone, but it stops immediate tracking of past views. Next, tap Clear Search History to delete typed and voice queries that shape search autocomplete. Make sure to wait until each confirmation completes. Some items can take a few seconds to disappear. By doing both, you reset what YouTube uses to build recommendations and suggestions. Finish by pausing history so new activity won't be recorded. Toggle Pause Watch History and Pause Search History if you want immediate privacy. Pausing stops future saves until you turn them back on, and it's useful when sharing a device. If a clear or pause doesn't work, sign out and back in, update the YouTube app from the App Store, or restart your iPhone. These fixes resolve most sync or permission glitches. If issues persist, check any linked Google account settings on the web.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.